Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna review the Dovety electric spin scrubber, a cleaning tool designed to transform your housework experience. If you are tired of bending over or kneeling on the floor to scrub those hard to reach spots, you are going to love this device. With the Dovety 2024 new upgraded electric spin scrubber, you can finally say goodbye to the traditional, tedious cleaning methods and enjoy a more relaxed, efficient, and ergonomic cleaning routine. One of the most appealing aspects of the Dovety electric spin scrubber is how it completely changes your cleaning posture. No more back aches from bending over or sore knees from scrubbing floors. Instead, you can stand upright and let the electric scrubber do all the hard work for you. This device is an ideal solution for those who want to maintain a clean home but may have physical limitations or simply want to save time and effort. The Dovety electric spin scrubber comes equipped with two cleaning speeds, making it incredibly versatile. The low speed settings operate at 300 rpm, while the high speed option cranks things up to 480 rpm. This dual speed functionality is perfect for tackling a wide range of cleaning tasks. Whether you are dealing with light dirt or more stubborn grime, you can choose the appropriate speed to get the job done. What I particularly like about the dual speed settings is the ease of switching between them. The scrubbers start at the default low speed, but with a simple long press of just 2 seconds, you can ramp it up to high speed. This flexibility allows you to tailor the scrubber's performance to your specific needs, whether you are giving the bathroom tiles a light once over or scrubbing away built-up soap scum in the shower. One of the standout features of the Dovety electric spin scrubber is its retractable handle, which can adjust from 14 inches to 60 inches. This range allows you to clean high, low, or hard to reach spots without bending over or straining yourself. Whether you need to clean the ceiling, the corners of your shower, or under furniture, this scrubber has you covered. The handle is also lightweight, making it easy to maneuver even during long cleaning sessions, so you won't get tired too quickly. And because it's cordless, you won't have to deal with the hassle of tangled wires or being limited by length of a power cord. You can easily move around your home without having to plug and unplug the device constantly. This makes it even convenient to use in larger areas like kitchen or living rooms, where cleaning every nook and cranny is important. Another feature that really sets the Dovety electric spin scrubber apart from its competitors is the inclusion of 8 different brush heads. Each brush head is designed to tackle specific cleaning tasks, whether it's scrubbing the floors, cleaning the stove, or getting into grout lines between your bathroom tiles. The variety of brush heads make this scrubber a truly versatile tool that can be used throughout your home. You can easily switch out the heads depending on the task at hand, and they can be removed and cleaned separately, which is a bonus for maintaining hygiene. These brush heads are designed to clean various surfaces, including bathrooms, kitchens, grills, windows, car wheels, and even dishes. So, whether you are cleaning the grime off the stove or getting rid of mildew in the shower, you will find a brush head that works for you. One of the biggest concerns with any cordless cleaning device is battery life. Fortunately, the Dovety electric spin scrubber is equipped with a large 5000 mAh battery that can last up to 90 minutes on a single charge. That's more than enough time to complete most household cleaning tasks without having to recharge midway through. The scrubber also features a new, easy-to-read battery display. The circular indicator is divided into 4 blue light areas, each representing 25% of the battery charge. This makes it incredibly easy to know how much battery life you have left, so you are not caught off guard in the middle of cleaning session. And when it does come to recharge, the Dovety scrubber uses a fast Type-C charging system, which means you won't have to wait long before it's ready to go again. A full charge takes about 3 to 4 hours, making it convenient for daily or weekly cleaning routines. Finally, I want to touch on the build quality. The Dovety electric spin scrubber is designed with an IPX5 waterproof rating, meaning it's resistant to water splashes from any direction. This is particularly useful when cleaning bathrooms or kitchen surfaces where water exposure is inevitable. You don't have to worry about damaging the device while you clean, wet, or dump areas. In conclusion, the Dovety electric spin scrubber is an excellent addition to any home cleaning arsenal. Its versatility, ease of use, and ergonomic design makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to make cleaning less of a chore. With its powerful motor, multiple brush heads, long battery life, and waterproof design, this scrubber can handle just about any cleaning task you throw at it. Whether you are cleaning the bathroom, kitchen, or car, the Dovety electric spin scrubber will get the job done efficiently and with minimal effort. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more product reviews and tips to make life a little easier. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.